respected and Honorable Chief Minister, dear members of the Government of Telangana, esteemed guests on the dais, fellow industrialists, ladies and gentlemen. Telangana, located in the heart of Indian market that the world looks to drive their demand. Telangana, a land that is rich in resources, both agricultural and mineral. Telangana, an economy whose backbone is industrial, both traditional bricks and mortar and knowledge-based future tech. Telangana, where sustainability is not an afterthought, but is ingrained in everything that is done. Telangana, a vibrant people whose historical legacy, socio-cultural and economic inventiveness is unparalleled. And Telangana, a land led by a leader whose holistic vision and dynamism will make legends. Telangana, we rejoice the arrival of the 29th state of the Republic of India. Incidentally, 29th is also the holy number of principles that the Vaishnavi community follows, apart from being the number in the Quran. I can predict with certainty that the future of the state portends peace and prosperity, but how this process of creativity be achieved? Here too, the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, has already done our work by empowering us with his vision document, something each one of us has gone through with wonder and reverence. There was a time, not so long ago, when the very creation of the state of Telangana was considered to a sheer impossibility. The Honorable Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao has already the doubters and the world at large wrong by sheer determination and true grit that only leaders of his stature are blessed with by making Telangana a reality. History has shaped this land. Nature has blessed the land with her bounty. Its people has worked to bring us all here. And the third pillar of the success story, the dynamic leadership of Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, is what will take us as we march boldly to keep our tryst with destiny. Critics have been floating rumors of industry taking a flight, which too have been comprehensively put to rest by lakhs of crores of investments proposals that the state has attracted. Telangana is blessed to have talented team. Many of the state's dedicated administrators are here today, and I really appreciate their effort for Telangana's growing achievement. Friends, everybody can dream, but our respected Chief Minister, with his powerful and passionate leadership and a talented and committed team, has built the momentum to transform the dream into reality. I sincerely appreciate the colossal effort of the innovative and dynamic industrial policy framework for the state of Telangana. This indeed is a rare achievement. It is my honor and pleasure to be here at the unveiling of this momentous document as I begin to consider myself as a fellow pilgrim. The policy, with its focus on core manufacturing and the state's commitment to pace and transparency in implementing the policy, along with the adequate infrastructural development, will lure many industrial houses to shift their base to Telangana. Maximum facilitation through self-certification and e-helpline, as highlighted in the policy, will compel other states to emulate the Telangana line. For a visionary with the dynamism of Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the journey of Telangana's industrial resurgence is now just a matter of time. Friends, we will need to haul enormous loads physically and virtually to give shape to this dream that we all dream today. From my experience of managing manufacturing units in different parts of the world, including Europe, tells me that we will need to deploy huge number of wagons to spread prosperity physically, and we will need 1 million ignited minds that will attain critical mass to ensure that the big bang of development take place in exactly the way that the Honorable Chief Minister has visualized. A macroeconomic dream that when reduced to a microeconomic reality becomes a rail coach factory and a smart city. I will not waste your time by getting into the details, but just end by saying that the Ruya Group will not be found wanting. It is not every day that one stands at the confluence of positivity the way it has all come together here and now. Life has thrown us a challenge, and the modern day Vishwakarma, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, has picked it up. We are here to aid him so that we may all become parts of what will one day be known as the golden age of Telangana. Thank you.